me for your safety and for mine, okay? Just on the front, just so I can effect the search, okay? Put your arms behind your back now. Put your arms behind your back. Put your hands out. Sorry. Yeah, because I told you.
All of that for weed, is it?
Okay.
Right.
I am searching you. Do you have anything on you?
Yeah.
What have you got?
Drugs.
How much?
The work that the policing team here in Cardiff Bay have been doing under the Clear Hole Build initiative. This is a partnership operation that we're running, but the police part of that has seen over 500 people arrested for a variety of offences such as knife carrying and drug dealing in our communities. We've seen over 80 people charged for various drug-related offences and knife offences, but more importantly than that, the community is telling us just how safe they feel. Recently we had a member of the community approach one of the policing team and say, do you know what, for the first time in 20 years I feel safe enough to walk around my community, and that pays testament to the work of those officers.